Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Jeep Wrangler key fob. This process is straightforward if you have two existing, already programmed keys for your vehicle. Before starting, make sure your new keys blade has been cut to fit your ignition. This self-programming method is a great way to save time and money, allowing you to add a new key fob right at home. Let's get started with the first step of this easy procedure. To begin, insert your first already programmed key into the ignition. Turn the ignition switch to the on or run position. Hold it there for a minimum of 3 seconds, but no longer than 15 seconds. Next, turn the ignition back to the off or lock position and promptly remove that first key. This initial step prepares your vehicle's system for the programming sequence. Now, within 15 seconds of removing the first key, insert your second programmed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. After about 10 seconds, you should hear an audible chime, and the vehicle's security light will begin to flash. Immediately turn the ignition to off and remove the second key. Finally, insert your new, unprogrammed key within 60 seconds and turn it to on. After approximately 10 seconds with the new key in the on position, a single chime will sound, and the security light will stop flashing, then illuminate for 3 seconds, confirming successful programming. Turn the ignition to off and remove the key. You can repeat this entire procedure for up to 8 key fobs. Remember, if you only have one working key or a push-button start system, professional assistance from a locksmith or dealership is required.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.